Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little bit. I think a couple videos ago I said that I was going to try and upload a couple days a week, and then 2 weeks went by and I didn't upload. It's been a crazy month, and just June was crazy in general, and I had a friend's bachelorette party and then a sister's wedding, and then me and Matt had our first anniversary, so we went to California. So it's just been, I've been gone a lot. But I am back and I'm actually really excited about today's video. I'm not sure how it's gonna go because I have an idea in my head of how I want this look to turn out, and I don't have all the correct products that normally you would use, so I'm just gonna try and make it work with what I have, and hopefully it turns out good. If it doesn't, you'll never see this video. But I'm going to do a 4th of July look, and today is the 2nd of July, so I'm going to try and have this edited and uploaded on the 4th or tomorrow the 3rd, so that you guys can try recreating it if you're doing anything fun, having some barbecues, or whatever you're doing on the 4th. But we're just going to jump right in, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so to start off with the eyes, I don't have a concealer that quite matches me right now, so we're going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade 05A Natural Beige. Just have some on the back of my hand, and we're just going to take a brush and put that on our eyes. And to set my eyes, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light. Today we're going in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And really we're only using a few shades, but I don't know if it will turn out. So I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. And I'm just going in with a tiny bit of a darker shade, which is this one right here. And we're just putting it on the outer corner and bringing it in a little bit. Just going back in with that first brush just to blend some edges. Next we're going to put some tape on our lids, on the side of the lids. That looks about where I want them to be. Okay, so this is the part I'm a little scared about. I don't have a blue eyeliner, and I'm a little too lazy to go out and buy one at this point. So I'm going to take my Anastasia, it's their lip kit where you can just mix all these different shades together and get the color you want, and it has this beautiful blue shade right here. So I'm going to take that on a eyebrow pencil. It's a super thin brush, and I'm going to try and make a wing just starting on the wing part for now, because I want to go in with this white shade here and put that on the inner part. So wish me luck. I don't know if this is working. I wiped off the tip of that, and now I'm going to go in with that white one. I'm kind of mixing the colors in the middle so that it's a nice gradient from one color to the other. Okay. I'm gonna take it off to see if it even turned out. I'm so scared. Wow, it actually does look good. Alright, that doesn't look so bad. Okay, now I'm just gonna go and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, I am back and I have the other eye done, and I also put some mascara on. But I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my face. I'm just gonna fast forward through and then we will come back to finish off the eyes and the lips. Okay, so I have the rest of my face done and we're gonna finish off the eyes. So for my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight, I'm going in with the Champagne Pop by Becca. It is a super intense highlight. It's also what I put on my face, and every time I forget how intense it is. And then I use it again and I'm blinding. Now for under the eyes, I just want to do some brown and then I'm going to do blue eyeliner in my waterline. And the brown we're just going to go in with this dark shade that we used on the outer corners on top of our eyes. And just taking that on a pencil brush. And the eyeliner we are going in with is from LA Girl. It is called Gypsy Teal, and I'm just going to pop that in my waterline. And I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. And my lashes are pretty long right now. I just curled them and applied another layer of mascara. I really want the blue eyeliner to be able to be seen and be the focus, so I'm not going to apply false lashes. But the last thing that we need to do is do our lips. And of course, since it's the 4th of July, we need a red lip. And so first I'm going to outline my lip with this red lip liner from Essence. It is in the shade Ready for Red. So I'm just going to outline my lips real quick. And then following that, we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Uncensored. This red lipstick looks good on anybody. I love it a lot. And we're just going to set that with some Make It Last setting spray. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I really love how it turned out. I'm actually really excited. I'm going to redo this and wear it on the 4th. I have to work, but after I'm done working, I have a barbecue and I'm sure we're doing something with fireworks. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. It's good to be back and filming, and I really am going to try and upload a couple times a week, so no more slacking for me. I have no more vacations planned, so I don't have any excuses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.